This is Rita. Welcome to my channel. Greetings from Edmonton, Alberta. I just wanted to pop and say hi. I'm doing well and everything is good. So I'm just following the rules. Stay home, stay safe, and then do lots and lots of whips. And then finish them. So that's what I've been up to, and I am also trying to do tutorials as I go because everything is all in my head. I want to put it alive, so that's what I've been up to. Okay, so what I've been doing is, let me just turn the camera and I'll show you what I just finished, and I am so happy. It's a big relief to finish a big project. Let's point that out. Ta-da! Here it is, the Houndstooth stitch. I finished it. Oh my goodness, I used up all of the 4 balls of yarn that I have saved for this tutorial, for this Afghan. Well, it turned into an Afghan. I haven't measured, but it's over, I think it's over 45 inches by 45. So it is a square. Let me turn it back and show it to you. And this is how it looks like. Oh my goodness, I just love it how it turned out, but it does take up time. I will put the link on how to do the stitch. I did a lovely tutorial in January, I think 5th was it, I believe. And I just picked up and I said, because I keep on starting projects and they're building everywhere in my 2-room upstairs. So one row you do this stitch, and then one row you do single crochet. So that one single crochet, it does go slowly, but the end result is perfect. So please stay tuned. I do have another tutorial that I'm going to show on how to give this look, but a different stitch, and everyone knows that stitch. This is how it looks like, just to show you. It looks like it's fabric, doesn't it? I just love it how it turned out. And I did put my label here. I love these. I did a review about this last year. So I will put the link below as well. When I say below, it's just under the video. I have people asking me. It's the description box. It says read more. You click it. And then I usually provide all of my information over there. Okay, here's another one that I finished. I have this tutorial as well. And it's sitting here. Just lovely. So I did not follow any pattern. I just used up all of the yarn that I have. And I have a tutorial on how to do the border as well. I will put the link below. It's only front post, back post. That's all you do. And you do 2 chains on the corner. And then you do 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 double crochet to create this lovely corner. And then every row you do front post, back post. That's all you do. The 2 sides are the same. So I ended up using all of the yarn, and I don't have any left. And I don't want any left. So I'm trying to use up all of them. Okay, so let me turn you to this one. I have done this as well. This is just an easy stitch that I also have a tutorial. Yeah, this is sitting here. And I am going to work on this. First I'm going to work on the rug that I did a tutorial, and I have a tutorial on this one as well. It's supposed to be a top. And I'm almost finished this ball. And I have 3 more. And I will show you how to do the top for myself. It's a plus size. As you can see, it's huge, it's wide. The important thing is to be healthy, right? That's what I always say. I'm oversized, but I'm healthy. Other than, back pains and stuff. Everyone has that, thank God. And I had a heart problem. But I'm okay. My heart, oops, I went up, down. I had a heart problem. I couldn't breathe. That's what the doctor said. I didn't breathe. I stopped breathing and my heart stopped working, and then it suddenly started again. So I had that problem, but I'm okay now. But other than that, I'm okay. Like, I don't have any big issues. That's what I always thankful about. I'm overweight, but I'm healthy. Like, I don't have any big problem, thank God, other than this virus going on. So as you can see, I'm surrounded with 3 finished projects. And here are my lovely flowers from my garden. They are dried up, even there's water in it. But I just love it. They still smell. And these didn't even bloom, but they look fantastic. And I have another vase upstairs. These are from my garden. This one, I remember I planted this 20 years ago, and the first time my husband said he put good soil in it. I was so mad at him. Why didn't you do it before? I did also put good soil, but it never bloomed before. So this is the first year that our laylock bloomed. So I just wanted to pop and say hi, just to show you what I have been up to. I just love how it turned out. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I know I keep on repeating this, but it's the YouTube thing. What can you do? Yeah, this is my, when you come into my house, this is when you enter, this is the living room, I guess. Just show you around my house. And I have a huge, huge kitchen. That's the reason we bought the house, because of the kitchen. But it's on a corner lot and it's so loud, the traffic, it's so loud because there's 3 stop signs. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, stay home, take care, try to stay safe, give distance between, and that's what we've been doing since March, and it's tough, I know, but I think this is gonna go on forever. That's what it looks like, because it keeps on increasing in Edmonton. I just checked today. We're over 270. There's 270 people who has the virus. It scares me to death. It's growing like it's not going down. Well, yeah. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Take care.